Hi, I'm Ryan, Frugal Analyst, and bank bonus for checking and savings accounts are back. The Fed increased rates, which means more money for bank deposits, and in return, more marketing budget to pay out bank bonuses. I typically apply for bank bonus when the benefit is at least $300 or the return is at least 5% annualized. As of this video, the deals are starting to come back. There are two types of bank bonuses: direct deposit and balance deposit. Starting with direct deposit deals, BMO Harris is giving away $300 to $500 by opening a checking account. US Bank has a $400 offer, Fifth Third with $375 offer, SoFi with $300 bonus, as well as Chase Checking with $300 as well. Each deal has a different requirement based on the total direct deposit and a time limit. On the balance deposit side, I got Chase Savings at $200 after $15,000 in deposit, and Citibank is giving away $200 to $2,000 in bonus. They both require a large deposit and a minimum deposit time. There are other deals, but these are the ones that I think are worth it. I will try to get all of these deals except for Chase Checking because I already have an account with them, and Fifth Third because I'm not in an eligible state. In total, I would make roughly $1,900. I'm setting up direct deposit from my employer to two banks at a time and continue switching from there. Now, the benefit is not really going to make me rich, but it allows me to buy something I want but don't need. Maybe I want to buy a graphics card or a weekend trip to another city. These bonuses add up over time. To increase the benefit, I'm also making my wife sign up in her own account, and that's double the value. Now, on the downside, the bonus is taxable, so the total value is less after taxes. There is some work involved. It takes me roughly 1 hour to open and set up as needed. You can allocate the 1 hour to 15 minutes to apply online, 15 minutes to set up direct deposit, 15 minutes to set up connecting accounts, and 15 minutes to close as needed in the future. I'm looking at 1 hour of work for at least $300 in benefits for every new account. That's a pretty good deal. Just to make sure to read the fine print. For Chase, for example, you can't close the account within 6 months to get the bonus. Every account has different terms and conditions, so understand how to keep it open without paying fees. I'll put the link at the bottom of this video to sign up for these deals. Thanks for watching. Stay frugal, and I'll see you in the next frugal video.